Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so today's lesson was done in the key of F sharp. Okay, I'm gonna play in the key of F sharp, then play in the key of F. Okay, then maybe I'll chip in the key of C. Alright, so without much ado, let's check how the song went. It goes like this. Okay, so the left hand I have the E flat and B flat, right hand I have the F sharp, B flat, C sharp and F sharp. Okay, but before I did that, I did this. So that is E flat, F and F sharp. Okay, okay, like that. So we are doing over chords here. Okay, so on the left I have the B and the F sharp, right hand I have the G sharp, C sharp and F. Okay, so then all on the B. Okay, so here the right hand will only change. Okay, so what it does, okay, here you can flip. Okay, if you can you can flip. Okay, like that. So here I'm doing the B flat, I'm doing the F sharp and G sharp, right hand I have the C sharp, F sharp, G sharp and C sharp. Then I have the B chord, I have the B and the F sharp on the left, right hand is doing the B, C sharp, E flat and F sharp. Then I'll maintain this chord on the right, then change the chord on the left. Okay, so like that. So basically I move from here to here. So I'm doing the G sharp and the F sharp, so like this. Then over chords here one more time. So I have the C sharp on the left, right hand is doing the F sharp, B flat and C sharp. Okay, then we'll move to this particular pattern. Then okay, so what is that? So after here I'll play this. I have the E flat on the left, right hand is doing the F sharp, B and E flat. Then I have the left hand being the F, right hand is doing the G sharp, C sharp and F. Then I will end it. Okay, basically this is the one chord. We all know this. Okay, so let's go one more time. That's basically the chord they use. So let's come to the key of F. So I did this. Okay, so one more time. Basically you can choose to voice it anyhow you want. Okay, so let's go one more time. Okay, so that is Latido. Okay, so I have the D, A on the left, right hand is doing the F, A, C and F. Okay, Okay, so basically I have the B flat and F on the left. Right hand is doing the G, C, and E. Okay, so that is solar. Left hand I have the A, F, and G. Right hand is doing the C, F, G, and C. Then, okay, so basically La, okay, Fa over the So to the 3 chord, then Fa, then Re, then Do over So. Okay, then La ti Do. Okay, that's basically what they use for this particular lesson. Okay, so let me sing through. Don't worry, what I did here is the same thing as okay, the same chords. Okay, so apply this in your lesson. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.